Huh? Are you questioning my teaching skills or something?
If I could begin to be half of what you think of me, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love. When I see the way you act, wondering when I'm coming back, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love like you. Nothing like you. Look at you go, I just adore you. I wish that I knew what makes you think I'm so special. If I could begin to do something that does right by you, I would do about anything. I would even learn how to love. I see the way you look, shaken by how long it took. I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love like you. Love like you. Love me like you.
Because I know my stuff. If you're not grasping what I'm telling you, it's not my fault, is it?
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
They say jellyfish are lazy, but I don't think their lives are that crazy. Soft-bodied sea creatures showing off their curvy features. They don't seem to give a fuck, swimming around testing their luck. I'd like to be a jellyfish, it's a dream of mine. My only wish, we're all just animals, living meaningless lives with unachievable goals. Why can't we be like the jellyfish, gelatinous creatures that don't give a shit, bell-bodied bitches that leave you in stitches? I try to justify my life by convincing myself of complex lies. Why can't I just be free, like these fish made of jelly? I'd like to be a jellyfish. I'd like to be a jellyfish. Why don't you be a jellyfish?
Yeah, well, you're gonna do fine on the exam, so don't waste so much energy worrying about it.
Time is an illusion that helps things make sense. So we're always living in the present tense. It seems unforgiving when a good thing ends. But you and I will always be back then. 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 Singing, will happen, happening, happen. Will happen, happening, happened, and will happen again and again. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. If there was some amazing force outside of time to take us back to where we were, and hang each moment up like pictures on a wall inside a billion tiny frames, so that we could see it all. It would look like will happen, happening, happened. Will happen, happening, happened, and will happen again and again. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. 'Cause you and I will always be back then. That's why you and I will always be best friends.
I don't want you to know how I'm feeling, but you can read me like an open book. Don't put on a show. I know right here you don't need to cry or show me sympathy. Don't waste your time on me. I'm used to being alone. So step away from me. I don't need anything apart from distance to make sure that you're safe. 'Cause I'm a ticking time bomb in need of assistance. But I need to know that you're okay. So hurry on by. I will see you home with a smile. I'm used to being alone. So I guess this is goodbye. Just get rid of me, my toxicity will cut you like a knife. Like the river flows, just head off and go. Leave the biggest weights behind. Leave the burden in your life and move on. So hurry on by. I'll see you home with a smile. I'm used to being alone. So I guess this is goodbye. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Oh, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
You're not an idiot, you know? Give yourself some more credit.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles, I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through. 'Cause you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too, but none of them could ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Lost my cool, I'm not sure how to act. Not even sure how I can keep my pride intact. Well, I don't know if this is it, but can't you see? No, I'm not falling for you, so please have I'm pretty sure my head's exploding. I'm not ready for hand holding. It's not love, I swear. It might be closer to despair. No, I don't want you to teach me how to dance. Get your heart away from me, you'll put me into a trance. And even though I think about you day and night, I'm not sure if this whole love thing sounds quite right. 'Cause it's not romantic, I swear. I'm not gasping for air. I want you to be here, but please don't come near. 'Cause even though I'm pretty sure my head's exploding, I'm not ready for hand holding. It's not love, I swear. It might be closer to despair. I'm pretty sure my head's exploding. I'm not ready for hand holding. It's not love, I swear. It might be closer to
Sorry I didn't respond for a week. I was in class and then I fell asleep. Woke up late for work and left my phone at home. I didn't mean to leave you hanging there all alone. Sorry I left you on red for the day. I couldn't think of anything worthwhile to say. I don't know just yet who you take me to be, and I don't want to spoil your impression of me. Oh, this is just what I do, pushing you away, though I want to be close to you. Sorry I never opened what you said. I was too busy wrapped up in my head. Wanna seem eager, I gotta be cool. The last thing I want is to look like a fool. Sorry I never quite seem like myself. It's just the low confidence cards I've been dealt. I'm willing to sway to any point of view that'll make me a bit more appealing to you. Oh, I hate feeling so fake, hiding my feelings for someone else's sake. Sorry I didn't respond for a week. It goes without saying I wasn't asleep. I'm just afraid that the more that I know, the higher the chance that I'll end up alone. Sorry I left you on red for the day. My mind likes
You did
to
good
tell
today.
me it's better that way. I'll brush it off like it wasn't that deep and tell you I'm
I
sorry.
really think you're gonna pass that exam.
I fell asleep.
Shut up with your self-deprecation.
I've never been the is all I want. 'Cause I've got my back and my back's got me, and I'm good as good can be, is what I thought until I met you. As branches sway in the autumn breeze, our amber eyes met between the leaves, and somehow every sound around me had broken into harmony. I'd never heard a sweeter melody, and I've been thinking for some time how to spend all these 9 lives. I guess just maybe I could spend one on you. I don't know why I feel the way I do. My head's a little fuzzy and my feelings are all askew. And one thing I know is true, is that I go black and blue to see you through. Let's run away with our muddy paws in the rain, and watch the clouds part ways, and as the stars beam down upon us, a somber shadow moves again. I never want this precious time to end, and I've been thinking for some time how to spend all these 9 lives. I suppose I could use another one or two. And in the moon's pale gaze, I ponder all those days I spent alone. And now it's me and you, and there's nothing that we can't do. And now you are around, we'll catch all the mice in town. And as we lay in the warm sunrise, becoming freshly baked sunshine pies, all purr sweet as a choir of angels, and louder than a symphony. 'Cause there's no place I'd rather be. And I've been thinking for some time how to spend all these 9 lives, and maybe I could spend them on you. Oh, just maybe 1 or 2. I think I'd like to spend them on you.
You're gonna do fine, idiot. Stop worrying so much. You're smart. You got this. Alright, that's enough studying for now. You've been at this for hours. It's getting late as hell. I think you know enough.